Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch Touch Bar, 2.3 GHz Quad-core Intel Core i5. Review deal discount unboxing setup. When you think of Apple, you automatically think expensive if you're anything like me. When purchasing this laptop, I was skeptical on rather if I should get a fully equipped HP, Dell, or just get an Apple. Just an Apple was my choice because of the brand name, but also because Apple products are always one of the best designs on the market. Apple products are one of the most durable brands on the market as well. With the aluminum body, Touch Bar, and superior speakers, this computer is undeniable. One thing that I do not like is the ports. There are 4 ports on the laptop, but the ports are USB-C, which makes the normal functions a little more difficult to get used to. When it comes to Apple, the flaws or the unexpected changes that may be an inconvenience is also what created this brand as superior and is the reason why they can charge you 3 arms and 3 legs for a computer. The brand name is established, the style is second to none, and the computer is also one of the best offered. Once you get past the honeymoon phase, then buyer's remorse, it's overall worth it. Purchase the like-new condition of the 2018 MacBook Pro and it came just as described, brand new and sealed in the original box with 1 year of Apple warranty still intact. Glad I gave the new seller a chance, would buy from them again in a heartbeat. See images for pics of the box. Laptop is incredible from the build quality to the performance. The Touch Bar is also an incredible addition that functions beautifully and has proved useful since it dynamically changes according to what program or app you are currently using. I opted for the 8th Gen Quad-core i5 version with 8GB DDR3 RAM and 256GB SSD. So far the laptop has breezed through everything I've thrown at it. Going to mainly be using it for coding, media consumption, game streaming through apps like Parsec. Fantastic buy for working professionals and students alike. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.